Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy 90 Soul back at it again with another unboxing after a long hiatus. I haven't actually put out a video in roughly about 6 months or so. But as you can see here, I have 3 recent pickups from Cole Haan and I felt like I needed to share them. I know my other videos that I've done on Cole Haan have done fairly well, so I thought, you know what, people have an interest for these and want to see them, so I figured why not show you the 3 newest models that I picked up. But I'm not going to show you all 3 in this video. I think I'm going to split it up into 3 separate videos so that way I can produce a little bit more content, kind of release them a little ways apart to give you guys something to watch in the upcoming future. Now, for this video, I'm actually going to show you guys the 0Grand. It's actually the 2.0Grands here. This one here on the left, I have a little bit more I want to speak to on this one. I feel there's a little bit of controversy around this shoe right here. This is their most iconic one right here, so I'm gonna wait and do that one on the next video. And then this one on the far right, this one is my favorite of the 3, just from its overall execution, just the materials used. I'm in love with the shoe, and to me it's the best out of all 3, so I'm gonna save that one for last. So let's get started on this one right here. All right, so like I said before, this is the 2.0 Grands or 2.0 Grands. Now it says here, I believe that's abbreviation for Stitch Light, because these are actually the knitted upper. Now this is my first time owning a pair of the knitted upper Cole Haan, so definitely eager to try them out. I'm not sure exactly how they're gonna feel, how they're gonna fit. I did go true to size with the size 12 for me. In dress shoes I wear size 12, sneakers I wear size 12 and a half. Sometimes that's good, sometimes that's bad, but I'm thinking with the thinner material, the lighter weight, the 12 should work out well enough. Now, taking a look at this shoe, really nice, just overall black shoe. I mean, it does have some little lighter portions. I don't know if that's really going to pick up too well in the lighting, but a little bit lighter, kind of blackish gray, charcoal color here, and then a darker black knit here. It almost has like a pattern to it. Not sure if that's just because of the knitting or if that was on purpose, but definitely a good look. You can kind of still see the wingtip look to it. Still gives it that kind of dress shoe look without it looking too much like a sneaker. I will admit this does look a little bit closer to a sneaker, actually a specific type of sneaker, and I'll get to that in just a minute. But overall, it still looks dressy enough that it can be pulled off as a dress shoe. Like I was saying, the material is a whole lot thinner. The sidewalls, it doesn't have as much support. I'm not sure how that'll feel when it's all tight on foot, but I'm thinking overall, once it's tightened down here, overall it'll probably feel nice and snug. A little bit stiffer here at the counter heel. I mean, they have a little bit more material there, but this forward portion of the upper definitely a whole lot lighter. I mean, as you can see, the lighting through it. Obviously that's going to add to its breathability, which is great for the summer right now. I think that'll allow my foot to stay a little bit cooler. On the back, it does have the 0Grand embossed on a little bit of leather for the heel tab, and then the tongue itself is also leather, has the Cole Haan printed on there. On the heel, if you can see there, it says Grand.OS or Grand 0S. Definitely a lightweight cushioned material here. I mean, the shoe itself is very light, very flexible, as you can see. I believe they call this EVR cushioning, and I'll put that below as far as what that actually stands for. But overall, should be a good shoe for summer. Should be a comfortable fit. And the biggest advantage I find from the black shoe, especially this being black here, most of my pairs have the white or the cream color sole, and those tend to get dirty very quick. It can get that way in just a few days. So I like the fact of having the black sole. It helps hide the dirt a little bit better. Now the bottom has this ribbed outsole, has this rubber tip and rubber heel portion here, obviously to also help with traction. I've never had a slipping issue with these. I have a few pairs of these. I haven't had a slipping issue with these. I have with some of the other pairs, and I can probably speak to that in some of the other videos. But these pair, I haven't had that problem as of yet. Now, when I was picking this shoe up, like I said, it showed a lot of resemblance to another shoe, and that shoe is the Yeezy 350 V2. As you can see, similar on the bottom, not identical but very close. Both of the uppers being knitted. I wouldn't say the shape of the shoe overall, but I would say if you're looking for something kind of that Yeezy look, this is going to give it to you in a dress shoe form. I doubt Cole Haan was trying to rip Yeezy off. I mean, I'll be honest, the Yeezys have been, you know, copied. A lot of brands are taking a lot of the styling cues from this shoe here and putting it into their own shoe. I can't say that's what the Cole Haan brand did, but there's a good chance that they may have taken styling cues from another shoe that took styling cues from this shoe. Can't really say for sure. All I know is that this looks like a Cole Haan Pirate Black. Overall, I think it'll be a good shoe. I mean, like I said, I've had these before. Colorway is nice. Hopefully that breathability is going to be something that definitely makes them more enjoyable to wear. Let me know in the comments what you guys think in the bottom. I got these on sale. I think they're roughly a little over 100. Normally I think they're going for closer to 2. Most Cole Haan shoes do go from $200 to $300, but a lot of times you can catch sales on their website. They do have outlet stores or whatnot, so just being on the lookout. I've even seen them in Marshalls and Ross, so you never know what you might find. So just keep your eyes peeled with that, but definitely worth picking up if you can get it for the right price. Again, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. I should be putting out those other 2 videos fairly soon after this one, so be on the lookout for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.